Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to turn on tag notifications from anyone on Facebook. If you want to stay informed every time someone tags you, follow along as we break it down step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, head to the menu section. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of the screen for iOS users, or the top right corner for Android users. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Now scroll down to the section labeled Preferences. Under this category, look for Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your notification settings. Once inside the Notifications menu, locate and tap on the Tags category. This is where you'll configure your preferences for tag notifications. In the Tags section, look for the option that says Get Notified when you're tagged. Tap on it to open more options. Here's the key step. Select Anyone to ensure you receive notifications whenever anyone tags you on Facebook. After making your selection, don't forget to tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've now enabled tag notifications from anyone on Facebook. This means you'll always be alerted whenever someone tags you in a post or photo. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Stay connected and enjoy your enhanced Facebook experience.